Hey guys, Rami here with your third stimulus check update and stimulus package update for Thursday, April 8th. Some people are receiving $1,800 surprise stimulus check deposits, which I'll explain who qualifies for and how you too can qualify for it. And we'll also talk more about the $10,200 unemployment money tax break since the IRS released some new guidance on that. Just please hit the like button on the video, it really helps out the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. I also want to read your thoughts in the comments below on a very controversial topic right now. Vaccine passports. How do you guys feel about that? It seems to be another political and partisan issue. Here in New York, Democrat Governor Andrew Cuomo announced the launch of the Excelsior Pass, which is a free voluntary platform developed with IBM, which uses secure technology to confirm whether you had a recent negative PCR or antigen test result or proof of vaccination. The idea here is to help fast-track the reopening of businesses and event venues in accordance with the New York State Department of Health guidelines. So basically, it's like a boarding pass on your phone that you can show when you're entering a football stadium, a movie theater, a wedding reception, or anything like that. Madison Square Garden in New York City and the Times Union Center at Albany already said they're going to use it. Governor Cuomo said in his announcement that New Yorkers have proven they can follow public health guidance to beat back COVID, and the innovative Excelsior Pass is another tool in our new toolbox to fight the virus while allowing more sectors of the economy to reopen safely and keeping personal information secure. On the other hand, we have Texas and Florida Republican governors signing executive orders banning vaccine passports. Greg Abbott of Texas released a video on Twitter and a statement saying Texans shouldn't be required to show proof of vaccination and reveal private health information just to go about their daily lives. I issued an executive order that prohibits government-mandated vaccine passports in Texas. Don't tread on our personal freedoms. Ron DeSantis of Florida also signed an executive order banning vaccine passports, saying individual COVID-19 vaccination records are private health information and should not be shared by a mandate. Curious to see what you guys think about these vaccine passports. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's talk about the $1,800 surprise stimulus checks that some people are receiving. It seems like some plus-up payments started going out in the last batch of payments from the IRS for taxpayers who did not receive the full amount they were entitled to. And the reason is the federal government calculated the original two cash payments, the $1,200 and the $600, based on either your 2018 or 2019 tax return. But millions of Americans who lost their jobs or saw their income reduced last year as a result of the pandemic qualify for bigger checks. That also includes Americans who had a child in 2020. So basically, the IRS were proactive where they went back to see who didn't qualify for the first and second stimulus checks because their income was too high in 2019 or 2018, but then filed taxes this year for 2020 where their income was reduced below the income thresholds and issued them those payments proactively. That's amazing. They also did that for people who had newborns in 2020. So if you had a baby in 2020, that should get you an additional $500 from the first stimulus check and $600 from the second stimulus check. That's besides the $1,400 per child for the third stimulus check. It's really nice to see the IRS doing that automatically and sending this money out to people who really need it. The IRS also said that additional tranches of stimulus checks and plus-ups will be sent out on a weekly basis going forward. So if you know you're eligible for the first and second stimulus checks based on your 2020 tax return, but didn't get anything because your income was too high in 2019 or 2018, you should expect that plus-up payment to get to you automatically in the next few weeks by direct deposit or paper check, maybe months. Let me know in the comments if you received a surprise $1,800 stimulus check in your bank account recently. Now let's talk quickly about the new $10,200 tax break that was part of the American Rescue Plan. This provision waives federal income taxes on up to $10,200 in 2020 unemployment insurance benefits for individuals who earned less than $150,000. So you can exclude the aid when calculating your modified adjusted gross income, which means that individual who earned $140,000 last year but collected $10,200 in unemployment benefits is still eligible to take advantage of the tax break. This week, the IRS said they will start issuing refunds in May to Americans who already filed the returns but are eligible to take advantage of the new break on unemployment benefits. They also said because the change occurred after some people filed their taxes already, the IRS will take steps in the spring and summer to make the appropriate change to the return, which may result in a refund. The first refunds are expected to be made in May and will continue into the summer. So that's great news, and they're taking action quickly over there. The reason they did this is many people received unemployment benefits for the first time in 2020, and some may have not known that this money is taxable, which means they were probably going to be surprised with a tax bill when they filed their 2020 tax return. So this should make the tax bill smaller in order to lessen the burden on those individuals who may be still unemployed until now. This is going to affect many people. According to the Century Foundation, about 40 million people collected unemployment benefits last year, and the average person received $14,000 in benefits. So if you have to pay taxes on the full $14,000, that would be a lot of money. Now you get $10,200 of that money tax-free and should expect a refund automatically if you filed your 2020 tax returns already sometime in May or throughout the summer. Please make sure to talk about that with your tax professional or financial advisor to get more information. I'm just a guy on YouTube, and this is not financial or tax advice. This information is for educational and entertainment purposes only. With that said, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Please hit the like button on the video, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notifications bell to be notified whenever I publish new videos and new content for you. Also, get your free stock from Robinhood just by opening an account using the link below, and make sure to check the link for the Yara savings account. It's a savings account that is FDIC insured but gives you interest with a lottery system. If you use the link below, you'll get 100 tickets when you deposit as little as $25 for a chance to win up to $10 million. Then you'll get a weekly ticket for every $25 you deposit. I think this is the future of banking, as it encourages savings to earn more chances at winning a large prize. Finally, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from Webull when you deposit only $100, which is just like cash. You can take it out anytime you feel like it. All the links are in the description below. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.